Hello student, today we will start exercise 2.1 fraction decimal. First sum is given. Question number 1 is solve the sums. They have given in first question 2 minus 3 upon 5. So in place of 2 in numerator, they have given numerator 2 but no denominator is given. So we can take 1 as a denominator. 2 upon 1 will be the numerator and denominator of the same fraction. Minus 3 upon 5 is given. Now numerator is 1 and 5, but we have to make same numerator. So for that you have to take the LCM of both the number 1 and 5. If you will take LCM of number 1 and 5, 1 and 5 LCM, suppose if we are taking LCM of 1 and 5, we get 5 only. 5 is the LCM. So we will take 5 as a common in both the places. In 5 table, when it is came 5, 1 5 ja 5. The same 5 will be multiplying up. So 5 2 ja it will become 10. Here it is same 5 1 ja 5, so 3 will be there. 10 minus 3 we are getting 7 upon 5. 7 upon 5 is your final answer. Once again I am explaining you. 1 and 5 LCM is 5. We are taking, and the same number we have to make it 5 as on both the side. So 1 5 ja 5. Same way 5 we will there up at numerator. 5 2 ja 10 we will get. So it become 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 5 is your answer. 7 upon 5 is the final answer. Question number 2 we will move to. It is 4 plus 7 upon 8. Here also 1 is, we will take 1 at a numerator. 1 and 8 LCM is same 8 we are taking. Now in 1's table it is 8 coming. 1 8 ja 8, that 8 4 ja 32. Same 8 we will multiply at numerator. So 8 4 ja 32 plus 7. 32 plus 7 we get 39 upon 8. Similar like first sum. Same. You can see this 1 and 8. 1 8 ja 8. 8 for the 32. 32 plus 7 we get 39 upon 8. That is your new fraction. Now question number 3 we will move. Student, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7, both numbers are given. So 5 and 7 LCM we are taking, and we get 35 LCM. So put the 35 at the new denominator place. In 5 tables 35 coming at 7. 5 7 ja 35. Same 7 will be multiplied by 3. 7 3 ja 21. Same way 7 5 ja 35 we are getting. So 5 will multiply by numerator, that is 2. 5 2 ja 10. So 3 7 ja 21. 2 5 ja 10. So 21 plus 20, 21 plus 10 we get 31 upon 35. Final answer. Same way if you move to next subtraction, here you can see 9 upon 11 and 4 upon 15. So we have taken the LCM of 11 and 15, and at last we get 165 is the LCM. So put the LCM at the down. In 11's table 15 11 15 ja 165 and 15 11 ja 165. Same 15 9 ja 135 we will take, and 11 4 ja 44 we will take. So 135 minus 44 we get final answer 91 upon 165. So same way we have to do in subtraction also. Same we have to take LCM of any numbers, and after taking LCM we have to put the LCM at the same common form, and then in 11 table LCM is coming at 15. 11 15 ja 65. So same 15 will multiply by 9, that is 15 9 ja 135. Same way in 15 table 15 11 ja 165. So same 11 will multiply by 4 and you get 44. So 135 minus 44, we get 91 upon 165. Number 5 move to 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2 is given, students. There are three numbers, three fractions if we are getting. Then in the same situation, when the two fractions are given or three fractions, we have to do the same method. We will take 2, 5 and 10 LCM and we will get 2, 5, 10 LCM. Let's check what is the LCM. Two 5 ja 10. So LCM is 10. In 10's table 10 is coming, so same 7 we will take, plus in 5 table 10 is coming at 2. 5 2 ja 10. Same way this 2 will be multiplied, 2 2 ja it will become 4. In 2's table 5 10 is coming at 2 5 ja 10. Same 5 you have to multiply up, 5 3 ja 15. So numerator will become 7 plus 4 plus 15. 7 plus 4 plus 15. If we can add these three numbers, you will be getting 26 upon 10 is your answer. Again I am explaining. 10, 5 and 2 LCM is 10. So 10 is there. We get 7 upon 10. 10 1 ja 10. So same 1 will be there. So 7 as it is, 7 we will take. Here 5 2 ja 10. So take same 2 number, multiply by numerator 2. 2 2 ja we get 4. Same in 2's table 10 coming at 5. 2 5 ja 10. Same 5 you multiply by 3. 5 3 ja 15 we will take. Now 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 15, we get 26 upon 10. Final answer. Now the next question is question number 6. In question number 6 they have given the mixed number 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 upon 2. So first of all we will solve this. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8. 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8. So 8 is a new remainder and denominator is 3 as it is. 8 upon 3 it will become. Same way 2 3 ja 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. 7 upon 2. Now 3 and 2 LCM we get 6. As always we know 2 and 3 LCM. Again let me check. You have to do LCM every time. Then only your answer will be right. The LCM is 6. So in 3 table 6 is coming at 3 2 ja. Same way 2 we will taking here. So 8 2 ja 16. In 2's table 3 2 3 ja 6. Same 3 will be up. 7 3 ja 21. So 16 plus 21 you will getting 37 upon 6 as a final answer in the same manner. In a mixed fraction also we have to convert this mixed fraction into a simplest form, and then we have to do the same as we are doing. Now the next is 7th sum question. 8 1 upon 2 minus 3 5 upon 8 they have given. 8 2 ja 16 plus 1 17 upon 2 and 8 3 ja 24 up plus 5 29 upon 8. Now 2 and 8 LCM if we are taking, suppose 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4 2 1 ja. So 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8. So your LCM is 8. So you are taking LCM 8 same way. So in 2's table 8 coming at 4 ja. Same we have to 4 multiply by 17. 17 4 ja 64. 17 4 ja we have to take it, and same way 8 table it is coming same banja, so we will take 29. So whatever the weird number we are getting, so after subtraction we have to get this number. Hello student, exercise 2.1 fraction and decimal. We will start question number 2 as we have completed question number 1 in last lecture. Question number 2 is asking about arrange in descending order. Few numbers, fraction numbers are being given in question number 1, that is 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21. We have to arrange it in a descending order, that is from bigger to smaller. So before arranging it, we have to first of all arrange this number in a such a way that we have to take the LCM and we have to evaluate this number and equivalent these numbers, and after that only you can arrange in a ascending or in a descending order. So 9, 3 and 21, we will take the LCM of these three numbers and see how I have taken the LCM. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 7 ja 21, again 3 1 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 it is as it is, and 7 1 ja 7. So 3 3 ja 9 and 9 7 ja 63. Your LCM is 63. So according to 63 LCM, we will make this three number, that is 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21 as similar as 63. See, you can here 2 upon 9. In 2 upon 9 we have made that in 9's table 9 7 ja 63 is coming. So same 7 we will be multiplying by numerator 2. 7 2 ja it will become 14 upon 63. Second is 2 upon 3. LCM we are having 63. So in 63's table, after dividing by 3 we get 21. It is 21 3 ja is 63. Same 21 will be multiplied by numerator 2. So 21 2 ja 42. So it will become 42 upon 63. Same way, third, 8 upon 21 is equal to 63. 21 3 ja 63. That 3 same number will be multiplied by numerator 8. Then it will become 8 3 ja 24, and it will give you like this, that 14 upon 63, 42 upon 63 and 24 upon 63. By arranging them in a new form, new number we get 42 upon 63 is the highest number as we have taken. After that, lowest is 24 upon 63 and then 14 upon 63, that is in descending order. But originally this 14 upon 63 is 2 upon 3, so we will take as 2 upon 3 is greater than 8 upon 21 and greater than 2 upon 9. This is your final answer by arranging in a descending order. Student, after question number second, first we have arranged this is in descending order. Same way new numbers are there, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 7 and 7 upon 10. So same way similarly we will take the LCM of these three denominator number, that is 5, 7 and 10. If we will take LCM, we will got 70 as an LCM. Take as a 70 as an LCM, 1 upon 5 is equal to 70. 14 5 ja 70 we get. Always remember about the denominators numbers divided by this 5 up by 70 we get 14, that is 14 5 ja 70. Same 14 will be there in your numerator. So it is we are having numerator 1, so 14 1 ja 14 it will be, and it new number 1 upon 5 is equal to will become 14 upon 70. Same way we will take 3 upon 7. In 7th table 70 is coming at 7 10 the 70. Same 10 number we will multiply by numerator, that is 10 3 ja 30. So we have to take here as an 30. Right, so it will become 30 upon 70. Same way 7 upon third is 7 upon 10, that is 7 upon 10 10 7 ja 70, same 7 will be multiplied by numerator, 7 7 ja 49. It will become, the new number what we have got is 14 upon 70, 30 upon 70 and 49 upon 70. So we will arrange them in a descending order. 49 upon 70 is the greatest, after that 30 upon 70 and then 14 upon 70. But the similarly this originally this number are 49 upon 70 is 7 upon 10, 30 upon 70 is 3 upon 7 and 14 upon 70 is 1 upon 5. So this way the descending order will be arranged. 7 upon 10 is greater than 3 upon 7, greater than 1 upon 5. So this way the answer will be solved. Question number 4, I am reading it out. A rectangular sheet of paper 12 1 upon 2 centimeter long and 10 2 upon 3 centimeter width, find its perimeter. Here the length of a rectangular sheet is given and the width is given. We have to find its perimeter. As we all know the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle, the perimeter for the rectangle formula is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So we will apply this formula in this sum to find the answer. First of all, whatever the thing is given, length of a sheet is given 12 1 upon 2 centimeter, that we can solve it. 12 to the 24 plus 1, 25 upon 2 centimeter it is will be. Second is breadth of a sheet is given 10 2 by 3 centimeter, so it will be 10 to the 30 plus 2, that is 32 upon 3 centimeter. Now according to the formula we will put, therefore perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So according to length and breadth we will put the formulas. 2 into length is given 25 upon 2 plus breadth 32 upon 3. Now we will take 2 and 3 LCM is always 6 as we know, so we take it as a 6 as an LCM. So in 2 tables 6 is coming at 2 3 ja, so we will 3 multiply by 25, that is numerator, 25 multiplied by 3 plus in 3's table 2 is 3 2 ja 6, we are getting 2. That same 2 will be multiplied by numerator 32, that is 32 multiplied by 2. After solving this, 25 multiplied by 3 we get 75, 32 multiplied by 2 that is 64 upon 6. Now 75 plus 64 we get 139 upon 6, and already we are having 2 here outside, that is 2 multiplied by 139 upon 6. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, you can solve and your final answer will be 139 upon 3. And this answer you can write after dividing and convert it into a mixed fraction, that is 46 1 upon 3 centimeter is your final answer. The question asks about what is the perimeter of rectangular sheet. The final answer is the perimeter of rectangular sheet is 46 1 upon 3 centimeter. Next question is question number 6. Students, see carefully. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7.3 by 10 centimeter width. How much should be picture be trimmed? One picture is there and Salim wants to put that picture in a frame, but the picture is bigger than a frame. Picture size is 7.3 by 5 and the frame size should be 7.3 by 10. So he has to trim that picture, but that how much picture will be trimmed to get fit in a frame we will find. Given here the width of a picture is 7.3 by 5 centimeter and width of a picture frame is 7.3 by 10 centimeter. The picture should be trimmed. We have to subtract this both of number from each other, like width of a picture minus picture's frame. 7.3 by 5 minus 7.3 upon 10. 7 5 are 35 plus 3, 38 upon 5. 7 10 the 70 plus 3, 73 upon 10. So we get 5 and 10 in the denominator place, and as we take the LCM of 5 and 10, we get 5. 10 is their LCM. Same way 5 2 are 10, that is 2 multiplied by 38, we will get 76 minus 73, as it is same given. 76 minus 73, we get 3 upon 10 centimeter. The picture we should be trimmed by adjacent into the frame is 3 by 10 centimeter. So the whole picture 7 3 by 5 size picture we have to trim by 3 upon 10 centimeter. Then it will be fixed in a frame 3 7 10 by 7 3 by 10. Student, this is a very interesting question. Next question, question number 5. They are given in the question, find perimeter of a triangle ABE and rectangle of BEDC whose perimeter is greater. We have to find the perimeter whose perimeter is greater by how much? By both the way. They have given a single figure. Actually it's figure having a two part like this. One is we are having a triangle, another we are having a rectangle. In triangle they have given A, B and E. Same name we can take here. In rectangle they have given B, E and C, D. They have given the measurement also in both the way. This and this will lengthen breadth. Here it is three sides of a triangle they have given. So after making this figure, you can see here clearly its AB is 5 upon 2, its B is 2 3 by 4, its AE is 3 2 by 5 3 by, and 7 upon 6 is they have given the breadth. And we have to find the rectangle, find the perimeter of a triangle with perimeter of rectangle. So first of all, first formula we will take as first we have to find the triangle, perimeter of triangle which was been given here, perimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of triangle. The perimeter of triangle ABE is triangle AB, side AB plus side BE plus side EA. So AB we have got 5 upon 2, BE we get 2 3 by 4, and EA we have got 3 3 by 5. So all these three side we will add this three side. So 4 to the 8, it is 11 upon 4. This will become 5 3 the 15 plus 3, 18 upon 5. So 2 4 and 5 we got, and after taking the LCM we will take the LCM of 2 4 and 5. We get the LCM 20. As a 20 we are taking an LCM. In 2 table 10 20 is coming at 2 10 ja. Same 10 will be multiplied by numerator 5. That will become 10 5 ja 50. Same way in 4 table 20 is coming at 4 5 ja. Same 5 we will multiply by 11 and we get 55. In 5 table 20 is coming at 4. So 4 multiplied by 18 we will get 72. 18 4 ja 72. So after adding this 50 plus 55 plus 72, we got 177 upon 20. And after dividing this with the mixed fraction conversion, we get 28 ja 160. That is 817 upon 20 centimeter is a perimeter of triangle. So perimeter of a triangle we got is 817 upon 20. As we got the perimeter of triangle, same way we have to find rectangle BCDE. So length of rectangle is given 2 3 by 4, that is 11 upon 4 centimeter. We will convert it. Same way breadth is given 7 upon 6. So next will be formula. We will put perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 length plus breadth. Length is given 11 upon 4, breadth is 7 upon 6. So 4 and 6 LCM we will take, and we get LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So after taking an LCM 12, in 4's table 12 coming at 4 3 ja, same 3 we will multiply by 11, we get 33. Listen carefully. 4 3 ja 12, same 3 we will multiply by 11, we will get 33. Same way 6 2 ja 12, same 2 we will multiply by 7, that is 7 2 ja 14 we get. So 33 plus 14 we will getting 47 upon 12. 2 multiply by 47 upon 12, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. So we will get 47 upon 6 is the perimeter of rectangle. We will convert this into a mixed fraction. 6 7 are 42 and 5 upon 6, that is 7. 5 upon 6 centimeter is a perimeter of your rectangle. The next question is question number 7. Ritu ate 3 upon 5 part of an apple, and remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of an apple did Somu eat? Who had get the larger share, by how much? Now the part of the apple which was eaten by Ritu is 3 upon 5, and the part of an apple eaten by Somu we don't know. That is from the one full apple, Ritu ate 3 by 5, that we can subtract that part. So 1 minus 3 by 5, 1 minus 3 by 5, we get 1 upon minus 3 by 5. 1 and 5 LCM, we get 5. In 1's table 5 is coming at 5, so 5 1 ja 5 we will take here. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 we get 2 upon 5 part which was being eaten by Somu, his brother, Ritu's brother. So by comparing both, 3 by 5 is eaten by Ritu and 2 by 5 is eaten by Somu, his friend. We get that 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 upon 5 part was being eaten more by Ritu than his brother Somu. So by 1 upon 5 part, Ritu ate more part than the Somu ate. Now question number 8, last question of the exercise. Manoj finished coloring picture 7 upon 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 upon 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was longer? The time taken by a Manoj to take a picture's wall or to color is 7 upon 12 hours. Time taken by a Vaibhav is 3 upon 4 hours. So as we compare 7 upon 12 and 3 upon 4, 4 and 12 we will take LCM, and we got the LCM is 12. 4 and 12 LCM is 12. So 7 upon 12, 1 ja 12, that is it will be same as 7 upon 12. Now we will take 3 upon 4 and 4 3 ja 12, same 3 3 3 ja 9 upon 12 it will take. So 9 upon 12 is greater than 12, 7 upon 12 as all we know. 9 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12, we get 2 upon 12, that is 1 upon 6 hours has been taken by more. Who has taken more? That is 3 by 4, that is Vaibhav. So answer is 1 upon 6 hours Vaibhav took more than the Manoj while drawing the pictures.